to get into the Mac operation system utilities, we have to reboot the system. That means here, shut down the system. And if we are going to reboot or switch on, then we have to use our keyboard with the command button over here and the R. Okay? Command and R. That means we are going to use, while the system is booting, it's going up, we are pressing Command and R button and still holding that. Okay, let's perform this. Now, I'm pushing the on button and Command and R. Here we are. You can see the Apple logo, and we are still pushing Command button plus R. These two buttons we are holding until we can see a globe or a line is under the Apple. That means we are hitting in the hidden menus. Yeah, the hidden menus are we're going to enter now by using the command key and the R button. These two we are still holding. Oh, there we are. Job's done. Yes, now we can release the buttons, and now we are entering into the Mac operation system utilities. That will cost a little bit of time, only a minute. Then we can choose their different types of options. So now we hear Mac operation utilities. That it is. We can do, what we're going to do is here, we can restore from Time Machine Epic, we can reinstall the Mac operation system, get help online, or disk utilities. But there's more. Let's have a look here. On the left side, upper left side, you can see the Mac operation, the Apple, and here start disk, restart, shut down. About Mac utilities, some services are available. File, change the language, for example, edit. Utilities like Start, Security Utility, Network Utility, Terminal, and the Window Manager. If we are swiping on the right side, we can see an A and our Wi-Fi network support. Here you can get in some networks if you do not did this before. So, but we are going into the center here. Mac operation system utilities. This is the hidden menu. Restore from Time Machine backup. You have a backup of your system that you want to restore, that you can choose here, and then you can use a backup to restore your device. Reinstall Mac operation system. That means reinstall a new copy of macOS. Okay, but it is not the right thing only to reinstall Mac operation system if you are going to sell this device, for example. This will help only if you have trouble with your Mac OS. Then get help online. Browse the Apple support website to find help for this Mac. Then you can find a little bit help at the Apple support websites is disk utility. Repair or erase a disk using disk utility. This is our choice to continue with erasing a disk and then make a fresh setup, a fresh reinstall of Mac operation system. So here we are. So let's go. Here we are. That it is. This is the disk utility folder. What we are going to see here is you can use your mouse and keyboard all day long. Here, internal, Macintosh HD APFS, Apple File System Volume. That means use this round about 11 gigabyte Other volumes are 34 gigabyte. Free is 980 gigabyte. Then you can see the type, the owners is enable, connection, PCI Express, availability, etc. Okay, all information about your hard disk drive. Then Macintosh HD datas. This is a separate area on your HDD to get the your datas on it. Yes, here you can see use not so much. Here is much more use. And these are our datas which we are going to use for daily thing. No? Okay, then disk images. Disk images is your Mac operation system which has a place inside this iMac on an image which we are going to use to reinstall the Mac operation system. Do not remove this. This is really important. Let's perform this here. What we are going here, plus, minus, first aid, partition, erase, restore, and unmount. To erase a volume on our iMac, we have first searching the Macintosh HD data. If there's another name here in the front side, this will be your target. But it has data at the end. This is the first thing we are going to remove. This volume. Remove. Delete APF volume Macintosh HD datas. Deleting the Macintosh HD datas will permanently erase all data stored on it. You can't undo this action. So take care. If you're ready to delete all datas, we are now. The datas volume Macintosh blah 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 blah. Delete, cancel, delete volume group. Do not use delete volume group. Do not use cancel, except you are going to save datas before you come back here. We are going to delete it now. So delete. Deleting volume, deleted is complete, job's done. That means this volume is now, rest in peace. Here you can see only two things are now here. That means the image because of our operation system image. It's important to let it there. And here is our Macintosh HD. This is the hard disk drive itself. This we are not going to perform with minus or plus. If you like, you can make a plus, of course. This will make more containers. But I dislike this. So now we erase this Macintosh HD. If there is not the name with Macintosh HD, you can use another name for it. That means now we are erase. Here you can enter a new name of it. If you like to do to make another name, you can write it here. But the best thing is, because of the standards, is use Macintosh HD. If you like to encrypt it or make a case sensitive and an encryption, you can choose it here. Then you have to enter password, verify this password, and a password hint. But if you are performing standard way APFS format, then erase. So if you have a problem to erase it, then first step is unmount it. Now we can see we are not mounted anymore. And first aid is another option for you. Then I have a couple of times I have a problem to get in the device or the HDD unmounted. Then I'm going to backward and reinstall. Then I'm going to make a volume plus, make a Macintosh HD data. Then I install the operation system on it. After this, I go back to disk utilities and then I delete the Macintosh HD data folder. Then I go first aid or check first aid to check this device. everything is okay. After this, I unmount it, and after that, I can erase the Macintosh HD. Okay, this is how you can troubleshoot this if you have this. But at the standard way, it should be perform the first thing. First step is delete Macintosh HD by minus, Macintosh HD data by minus, and second step is Macintosh HD internal by erasing. Okay, then make a new name. The standard is Macintosh HD, and erase it now. Deleted volume. Now he's deleting something, erase processing complete, click down to continue. So what we have now is the image, macOS, a base system, and the Macintosh HD. It's not used, it's brand new. No datas are on it, except the 25 kilobit, okay? And 7 gigabyte other volumes. But these are not your private information. So now we can go here backward, and then let's go to reinstall Mac operating system. If you do not have the Mac operating system right on the iMac, you can download it out of the internet, or you can use a USB stick, for example, or a DVD, etc. So reinstall Mac operating system. That will cost us 15 minutes or so. In this case, Mac operating system Catalina. To set up the installation of Mac operating system Catalina, click continue. So yeah, an internet connection is required to install Mac OS. That means first step is, because we deleted everything, we go on the right upper side and choose the internet thing. Now we have to enter the internet password. So, and then we are going to reinstall Mac operating system. That it is how we can perform a clean and good factory reset of our iMac. That's awesome, isn't it? So we are back in action, continue, and then we can now install Mac OS Catalina. Catalina, this is a nice system, really nice. So agree everything and read it before. Then here you can see our Macintosh HD, 1 terabyte total, and this is our hard disk drive we performed before. Okay, so install, job's done. That means 15 up to 20 minutes, we are back in business.